Apple cider vinegar (ACV) has become a popular staple among health enthusiasts worldwide, known for its array of potential health benefits. This tangy liquid, derived from fermented apples, is rich in acetic acid, vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds, making it a versatile tool beyond the kitchen. Whether you're looking to enhance digestive health, embark on a weight loss journey, or seek relief from sore throats, apple cider vinegar might be the wellness ally you've been searching for. In today's discussion, we will explore 10 compelling health benefits of apple cider vinegar and discuss how to incorporate it safely into your routine. 1. Blood sugar regulation. One of the most celebrated benefits of apple cider vinegar is its potential role in blood sugar management. The acetic acid in ACV interferes with enzymes responsible for digesting starches, leading to a slower breakdown and absorption of carbohydrates. This process helps prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar levels after meals. Additionally, acetic acid improves the muscle and liver's ability to uptake sugar from the blood, enhancing insulin sensitivity. Improved insulin sensitivity means cells absorb glucose more efficiently, reducing post-meal blood sugar levels. A 2019 clinical trial suggested that apple cider vinegar could have beneficial effects on the glycemic index and oxidative stress in individuals with diabetes. 2. Weight loss support. Apple cider vinegar can aid in weight loss by promoting feelings of fullness. When consumed before or during meals, acetic acid may slow the rate at which food exits the stomach, prolonging satiety and reducing overall calorie intake. Furthermore, acetic acid has been shown to boost metabolism slightly, leading to an increase in calories burned throughout the day. This metabolic enhancement may shift the body's energy utilization towards fat burning, contributing to gradual weight reduction. A study found a reduction in snacking for up to 24 hours following the consumption of apple cider vinegar, containing at least 25 milligrams of acetic acid per liter. 3. Heart health. Acetic acid in apple cider vinegar may also benefit heart health by lowering blood pressure. It promotes the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels, improves blood flow, and reduces blood pressure. Additionally, apple cider vinegar contains chlorogenic acid, an antioxidant that prevents the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. By inhibiting LDL oxidation, apple cider vinegar may reduce the progression of atherosclerosis, a condition characterized by plaque buildup in arteries. A 2021 review found that apple cider vinegar could positively impact total cholesterol levels. 4. Digestive health. Consuming apple cider vinegar before meals may enhance stomach acidity, aiding in the breakdown and digestion of food, especially in individuals with low stomach acid. The fermentation process of ACV produces beneficial probiotics that support a healthy balance of gut flora. A balanced gut microbiome is crucial for efficient digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune support. Apple cider vinegar also contains pectin, a soluble fiber that promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and supports regular bowel movements. 5. Skin health. Apple cider vinegar's acetic acid acts as an antimicrobial agent when applied to the skin. It may help reduce the prevalence of bacteria and pathogens, potentially alleviating skin infections and acne. The acidic nature of ACV helps balance the skin's pH, maintaining its protective barrier. To use apple cider vinegar for skincare, dilute it with water, typically 1 part vinegar to 4 parts water, and apply it as a toner with a cotton ball. This can help manage acne, soothe itchiness, and even aid in the treatment of stretch marks. 6. Hair health. The natural acidity of apple cider vinegar can help restore the scalp's pH balance, promoting healthier, smoother hair. ACV acts as a natural clarifier, removing product buildup from hair and scalp without stripping natural oils. Improved scalp health can encourage hair growth and reduce hair loss. To use ACV for hair, mix 1 part vinegar with 2 to 4 parts water and apply it as a rinse after shampooing. Allow it to sit for a few minutes before rinsing thoroughly. 7. Sore throat relief. Apple cider vinegar can provide relief from sore throats due to its antibacterial properties. The acetic acid in ACV disrupts bacterial life cycles, reducing the severity of throat infections. Its acidic environment may also break down mucus, offering relief from throat irritation and congestion. To use ACV for sore throat relief, dilute 1 tablespoon in a cup of warm water and gargle several times a day. Adding honey can enhance its soothing and antibacterial effects. 8. Reduces acid reflux. Apple cider vinegar may help reduce acid reflux by increasing stomach acidity. This can prompt the lower esophageal sphincter to tighten, preventing acid from moving into the esophagus and mitigating reflux symptoms. However, it's important to note that while some people experience relief, others may find that ACV exacerbates their symptoms, particularly if they have ulcers or a history of erosive esophagitis. 9. Bone health. Despite its acidity, apple cider vinegar may have an alkalizing effect once metabolized, potentially supporting bone health by balancing the body's pH. This can reduce the body's need to draw calcium from the bones, thus helping to maintain bone density. The acetic acid in ACV enhances the absorption of essential nutrients like calcium, crucial for bone health. 10. Teeth whitening. Apple cider vinegar can be used for teeth whitening by breaking down and dissolving plaque and surface stains. To use ACV for this purpose, dilute it with water, 1 part vinegar to 2 parts water, and swish it around your mouth for about a minute. Rinse thoroughly with water afterward to prevent any potential enamel damage. Use this method sparingly to avoid erosion of tooth enamel. How to add apple cider vinegar to your diet. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet is easy. You can use it in salad dressings, marinades, or homemade mayonnaise. Alternatively, dilute it in water and drink it as a beverage. Standard dosages range from 5 to 30 milliliters per day, mixed in a large glass of water. Who should avoid apple cider vinegar? Individuals with gastrointestinal issues, those with ulcers, gastritis, or acid reflux may find that ACV exacerbates their symptoms. People with kidney problems, the high acidity of ACV can put additional strain on kidneys. Pregnant and breastfeeding women, due to limited evidence, it's best for pregnant and breastfeeding women to consult a healthcare provider before using ACV. People with osteoporosis, individuals with bone health issues should be cautious, as the acidity might affect calcium balance. In conclusion, apple cider vinegar offers numerous health benefits, from weight management to improved heart health. However, it should be used in moderation and always diluted to avoid potential side effects like tooth enamel erosion or throat irritation. As always, consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your regimen. Are you ready to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your diet? Let us know in the comments below.